fresh zucchini. Sometimes I like to take the zucchini and give it a stripe, a little cut with this little tool. First thing I'm going to do is remove the top and the bottom like this. And like I said, if you're worried about nicking yourself, just get the cut glove, stops knives, you're good to go. Before I cut this, quite often I like to use a little tool and give it a little garnish, a little decoration like this. Okay, it's quick, it's easy, it's decorative. Everybody likes it when the food looks nice. That's good. There we go. Yeah. Now, I'm going to just take this, split it down the middle. I'm going to lay it down and I'm going to give some nice consistent cuts like this. Okay, looking good. Got a nice pattern going to it. Now with a little bit of practice, you can remove the glove and still not worry about cuts. Keep your fingers rolled back. Nice consistent cuts. That's what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. And with zucchini, quite often I have garlic. So I'm gonna put the knife down like this, give it a smash, repeat, and then I peel my garlic. Very quick, very easy. Slicing like this. Okay, that's all it takes. We're all done with the garlic. Good to go. EVO. Nice and hot. That's the way he likes it. Fresh garlic. Oh yeah. Starts to change color. Zucchini goes in. And you let it cook. Fresh ground pepper. I'm going to share my Caesar salad dressing with you in just a moment. Pink salt. Fresh tomato cut into a small brunoise. And we finish with 2 ounces of white wine. That's it. Real food, simple food. Let's get cooking. Subscribe right here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Watch the next video. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah. Ah, the romaine is chilled. Okay, I've got some of the decorated zucchini sauteed with garlic and tomatoes around the perimeter. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money, free shipping, no tax.